here's how to change chat wallpaper in Snapchat. So for us to get started, what you are going to do first is just close the Bitmoji here, and we're going to head over to the chat. Now, say for example, this is the chat that I want to upload or put some. What we can do is just click here at the name, and then we can go ahead and scroll down to wallpaper. Now, what is going to happen is that you should be able to see here different options for us. So this is, or these are the images that you can use, and then you have the camera roll if you want to upload, say for example, one on your own, and then saved in chat if you have like a conversation with that particular person. And yeah, from this point forward, I'm gonna choose for us here, and let's go ahead and choose, say for example, okay, this one right here, that is Squidward. Now you can also go ahead and blur it by just tapping this one right here, and this is how it's going to look if it's blur. Now if you are satisfied with the blur, you can continue with that. In my case, I'm just going to undo that one and then tap the confirm button right here, and after doing so, I can go ahead and close it, and you should be able to see that now we have the wallpaper added in here. And that, everybody, is how you're going to change chat wallpaper in Snapchat.